It is easy to fly the brand new 4-axis foldable aerial vehicle. You can pause the video at any time and learn the methods for folding the 4-axis foldable aerial vehicle, installing its components, and operating its remote controller. Folding methods. Note: the methods for opening front and rear arms are different. Please watch this video carefully to prevent the damage of arms. The method for opening the two front arms: push the left arm towards the left and the right arm towards the right. The method for opening the two rear arms: push and rotate the left arm and the right arm downwards for 90 degrees until it gets close to the aerial vehicle body and is in place. Installation of stands. Align 4 stands with the bottom grooves to install them. Installation of protective frames. 4 protective frames are pressed and installed into the grooves in succession. Pressed into the grooves. Frequency pairing. Take on the switch, then the indicator lamp flickers. Turn on the switch of the remote controller. Push the throttle upwards to the highest position and then put it downwards to the lowest position. The buzzer ticks. The flight indicator light is on. Finally, the frequency pair is over. V-shaped calibration. Push the left and right push rod upwards in a V shape. After the bottom light starting flickering and then stops flickering, the calibration is successfully done. Wi-Fi based real-time transmission. Scan the QR code to download and install the app. Connected with the aerial vehicle via Wi-Fi and then access the interface. After opening the app, you can start real-time transmission immediately. Method for operating the remote controller. It can take off and land by one click, ascend, descend, forwards, backwards, fly towards the right and the left, and roll. It has high speed and lower speed gears, short price to start the hand-free mode, long price to make a return flight, short price to take photos, long price to record video. Takeoff. Land by one click. Fly adjustment. If it unstandard flies towards the left, press the fly adjustment button for flight towards the right. Unstandard flies towards the right, press the button for flight towards the left. Unstandard flies backward, press the button for forward flight. Unstandard flies forward, press the button for backward flight. It is easy to operate and fly the aerial vehicle.